Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Have you tried the new Microsoft Edge? I have tried it for a couple of days. It does impress me. So today I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips of the new Microsoft Edge that I love the most. Thanks all who support my channels. This is a non-sponsor clip. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. The first tip, speed. For this speed test, I will compare between Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Both using the same Google search engine and the same search keyword. Let's see which one got faster searching speed. Google Chrome 0.59 seconds, Microsoft Edge 0.36 seconds. Let's try another keyword. Google Chrome 0.70 seconds, Microsoft Edge 0.34 seconds. Let's search only video results. Google Chrome 0.61 seconds, Microsoft Edge 0.18 seconds. The speed test, Microsoft Edge win. Second, prevention tracking. Many websites using trackers to collect data about your browsing behavior. To change this setting, you may access to Setting, and then Privacy and Services. The new Microsoft Edge is designed to detect and block known trackers. Make sure tracking prevention is set to on. Then select the level of tracking prevention that's right for you. You may also make an exception for tracking prevention, or see what trackers were blocked. Third tip, the collection. Collections will help you organize your web research. If you're an event or trip organizer, collections will help pull together all your trip or event information, as well as ideas to make your event or trip a success. If you're a teacher or student, it will help you organize your web research and create your lesson plans or reports. Whatever you are doing on the web, collections can help. For this demo, I will create a traveling to Taiwan collection. In this collection, I will keep all the accommodation information. Let's search hotel at Agoda. We may just click on the Add Current Page button to keep the page in our collection. We also may leave a note in the collection. Changing the text format and drag the note to top. And we may also send the collection to Excel format or Word format. Whatever you are doing on the web, collections can help. Fourth tips, extension. Boost the power of your browser by installing the extension. There are many handy extensions specially designed for Microsoft Edge. I will make another video sharing my favorite extension. If you didn't find the extension in Microsoft Edge does allow you to get the extension from other stores, such as Chrome Web Store. The fifth tips, Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader in Microsoft Edge simplifies the layout of text and images, reducing distractions and allowing users to choose how they want to read online publications. Select Immersive Reader icon of an open book with a speaker over it in the address bar. A ribbon toolbar will appear after you launch Read Aloud. The toolbar includes the play button, buttons to skip to the next or previous paragraph, and a button to adjust your voice options.
All tend to be happy. Whether you're working or playing, the right keyboard is the most important part of your desk set. Here's how to buy the right one.
Voice options allow you to select from different Microsoft voices, as well as change the speed of the reader. Let's try other languages.
"强势的 PS5 发布会之后，微软该如何见招拆招？全文约2700字，阅读只需要5分钟。 在近日的 PS5 发布会上，索尼姿态豪放，一口气将几乎
所有筹码都押上了赌桌，而不是跟微软一样频繁的小额加注。
比從前，因此，以下是微軟可能在7月的展示會中拿出來，以期在接下來的主機競賽中佔據上風的東西。3. Ninja 地獄之刃2，塞拿的史詩 Senua's Saga Hellblade 2。
I didn't cover all the features from the new Microsoft Edge. Some of them still needed to expand or update to become a powerful tools, like the picture-in-picture function, or progressive web apps. Overall, the new Microsoft Edge is quite impressive. Perhaps after watching this video, you may give it a try. We will end here today. Next video I will share my favorite Microsoft Edge extension. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, to get more info regarding the new Microsoft Edge. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.